speaking in a very expressive style. We have students staying ready to point the mistakes of others, grab their chance, and speak again. We miss it all this year. We do not have a stage to have you all present in person. We only have a screen in front of which you're going to speak. However, we have tried our best to give you the best in class experience of how you can listen to an audio, find the errors in the presentation, and take your chance to speak. I'm very glad that we have at least been able to make this during this pandemic, and I'm sure you're all going to make it so wonderful and memorable through your performances. My dear children, நாம இப்போ ஸ்டெப் பை ஸ்டெப்பா போக போறோம். பேரண்ட்ஸ் நீங்க அங்க உங்களுடைய ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் அசிஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்கன்னா டு நாட் பேனிக். நெட்வொர்க் இஷ்யூஸ் இருந்தா என்ன பண்ண போறோம், எப்படி இது டிஸ்கனெக்ட் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா என்ன செய்வோம், டோன்ட் வரி, வி ஹவ் காட் ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் ஃபார் எவ்ரிதிங். ஸோ வி ஆர் ஒன்லி கோயிங் டு என்ஷூர் அ வெரி ஸ்மூத் கான்டக்ட் ஆஃப் திஸ் ஈவெண்ட். லெட் அஸ் கோ ஃபார்வர்ட் ஒன் பை ஒன். நம்பர் ஒன், இது வந்து ஒரு ஸ்பீக்கிங் பேஸ்டு ஈவெண்ட். அதனால இட் ஹஸ் பீன் இன் டு திஸ் வெபினார் மாடல். இப்ப நான் உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமே, நீங்க எனக்கு தெரிய மாட்டீங்க. சிமிலர்லி when a student gets the chance to speak, நான் அவங்கள பேனலிஸ்டா ப்ரொமோட் பண்ணுவேன். அப்படின்னா மத்தவங்களுக்கு அவங்க தெரிவாங்க, அவங்களுக்கு மத்தவங்க தெரிய மாட்டாங்க. இப்ப நான் இருக்கிற இதே ஸ்கிரீனுக்கு you will have your ward as well. That is the Zoom model. நான் உங்களை பேனலிஸ்டா ப்ரொமோட் பண்ணும்போது, உங்களை ஸ்பாட்லைட்டுக்கு கொண்டுட்டு வரும்போது ஒரு நிமிஷம் நீங்க லாக் அவுட் ஆகி திருப்பி உள்ள வருவீங்க. டோன்ட் பேனிக். ஐயோ லாக் அவுட் ஆயிடுச்சேன்னு நினைக்காதீங்க. ஜூம் ஆட்டோமேட்டடா அதை அப்படி செய்யும். யூ வில் பி லாக்ட் அவுட் அண்ட் தென் brought into the screen. Be informed. The next thing, நீங்க இதுல வந்து மியூட்ல இருக்கணும், வீடியோ ஆஃப்ல இருக்கணும் அப்படின்ற இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன்ஸ் வராது. ஏன்னா நம்ம நினைச்சாலும் நம்மளால அன்மியூட் பண்ணிக்கிட முடியாது. We cannot switch on our video without becoming a panelist. So no problem. Stay relaxed. I request all the students to have their logins renamed with their lot numbers. நீங்க இன்னும் உங்களோட பேரை லாட் நம்பரோட அலைன் பண்ணல அப்படின்னா ப்ளீஸ் அலைன் இட் ரைட் நவ், பிகாஸ் வில் பி ஸ்டார்டிங் த ஈவெண்ட் ரைட் நவ். அண்ட் எனக்கு உங்க பேர் லாட் நம்பர்ஸா இருந்தா மட்டும்தான் புரியும், அல்லது புரியாது. Please be informed that there are 3 judges for this event. இந்த ஈவெண்ட்டுக்கு 3 ஜட்ஜஸ். 3 ஜட்ஜஸும் இப்போ உள்ள லாக்டினா தான் இருக்காங்க. அவங்களும் நம்மளுடைய ஷோவை பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கிறாங்க. ஸோ லாட் நம்பர் அல்லாம ஒரு பெயரோ இல்ல உங்களோட ஸ்கூல் நேமோ அந்த லாகின்ல இருந்ததுன்னா they may not be taking your entry for judgment. That might lead to an unnecessary disqualification. So please take the time to rename your login with your lot number. I'll also help you. இப்போ இன்னொரு ஒரு few minutes I'll be helping you with that also. And the next point is about the speed in which we are going to proceed today. நம்ம இப்போ அப்படியே உடனே அந்த ஈவெண்ட் ஆரம்பிச்சிட போறது கிடையாது. அப்படியே பட நம்ம எதுவுமே செய்ய போறது கிடையாது. Take all the time that you require. We said the meeting would start at 9:30. We did not want to start the contest at 9:30. I thought I'll give you all these instructions. ஒருத்தரா இங்க இருக்கீங்களான்ற உங்க அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் பார்க்கணும்னு நினைச்சோம். And even when you are brought to the spotlight, உங்க ஆடியோவை செக் பண்ணிட்டு உங்க வீடியோவை செக் பண்ணிட்டு நிதானமா we wanted to give you the time to participate. At least we believe technology goes hand in hand with operating slowly. When you operate slowly, technology helps you. Technology is a big enemy to being hasty. வேகமா படபடன்னு செஞ்சோம்னா technology never helps. And technology doesn't like panicking. பயந்த டெக்னாலஜிக்கு ஆகாது அப்படின்னு there is also a statement, there is a pun about that. So please stay calm, stay relaxed. There is always another chance. Don't worry. We'll ensure that you are given with that chance. அதை பத்தி இப்ப சொல்லிடுறேன். First thing, every student will be checked with the audio and video. அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் பேச ஆரம்பிப்பீங்க. So comfortable இருக்கலாம். ஒருவேளை if you have a problem, நீங்க பேசுறது கேட்கல அப்படின்னா நானே உங்களை ப்ராம்ப்ட் பண்ணிடுவேன். I would prompt you and the second chance will be given to speak right away. நிறுத்திட்டு திரும்ப ஒரு தடவை முதல்ல இருந்து பேசுறதுக்கான சான்ஸ் கொடுக்கப்படும். If there is a technical problem at your end or maybe my end, என்னோட எண்ட்ல கூட ஒரு டெக்னிக்கல் இஷ்யூ வரலாம். நான் இந்த ஸ்கிரீன் விட்டு டிசப்பியர் ஆகி போற அளவுக்கு நெட்வொர்க் கனெக்ஷன் மோசமா இருக்கலாம். Don't panic, don't worry. There will be a second chance for you to speak. சார் செகண்ட் சான்ஸ்லயுமே எனக்கு ஒரு நெட்வொர்க் இஷ்யூ வந்துருச்சு, என்ன செய்ய? Don't worry. அப்பவே a time span will be given, a phone number will be given to you. உங்களுடைய ஸ்பீச்சை ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணி நான் ஒரு 10-minute ஃப்ரேம் தருவேன். அந்த 10-minute ஃப்ரேம்குள்ள அந்த நம்பருக்கு வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணிடுங்க. தட்ஸ் இட், வெரி சிம்பிள். இல்ல சார் வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ண முடியல, ஐ வில் ஆல்சோ கிவ் யூ அ மெயில் ஐடி. அந்த மெயிலுக்கு அனுப்பியிருந்தா கூட பரவாயில்ல. ஆல் ரைட். ஸோ அந்த நம்பரை கூட நான் இப்பவே உங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணிடுறேன். தட் இஸ் கால் த சப்போர்ட் நம்பர் ஃபார் டுடே. இந்த நம்பரை நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 9894265899. Let me also give you a mail ID. priya.k.87@gmail.com. priya.k.87@gmail.com. இந்த நம்பரும் இந்த மெயில் ஐடியும் will be helpful for you as plan C. 2 தடவை இங்கேயே லைவா பிரசன்ட் பண்ண பார்த்து அது நடக்கல அப்படின்னா you can go for that option. அதையுமே நானே உங்களுக்கு இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ட் பண்ணிடுவேன். So just relax, we always have got options. அடுத்தது I wanted to say this. The judge's decision would be final. But then this event operates strictly with the timing. The timing is more important for an event like Jammy. As you know, you have already received all the 3 recordings. உங்களுக்கு அந்த recordings ஏற்கனவே கொடுக்கப்பட்டிருக்கு. You would have received it last evening. So what would you do? ஒரு recordingலையுமே you might have found some errors. So how are you going to present the speech? You're going to spot the error. You're going to talk about that error. And then you're going to speak in the line of the presenter's topic. அவங்க பேசி இருந்த அதே லைன்ல, அதே தீம்ல, or say அதே டாபிக்ல you will be speaking for some time. So how does this event operate? எப்படி இந்த event operate ஆகுது? Now I would like to take you through the rules and description of the event Jammy for your clarity. In this event, 3 audio recordings that run for around 20 seconds each on various topics will be given to the participant. Each recording will have a grammatical error and a fumble or an unnecessary pause in it. The participant is expected to spot those 2 errors in the recording and justify his spotting of the errors by explaining about it in 10 seconds. நல்லா தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க, நீங்க எரரை நோட் பண்ணி சொல்றதுக்கு you need 10 seconds. You can take 10 seconds, I'm sorry. If you cannot spot the errors, you can simply say, I couldn't find any error and move on to the next recording. உங்களுக்கு எரர் என்னன்னு தெரியலன்னா அந்த ஒரு ரெக்கார்டிங்ல I couldn't find any error அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அடுத்த ஆடியோ பத்தி பேச போயிடலாம். But if you have found it, the participant should deliver a 20-second speech on the same topic that the recording is made on. So 10 secondsக்கு அந்த எரரை எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணணும், 20 secondsக்கு அதே டாபிக்ல நீங்க பேசவும் செய்வீங்க. So you should explain the errors found for 10 seconds and deliver a speech on the same topic for 20 seconds. Is that clear? இதே தான் applies for all the 3 recordings. எல்லா 3 ரெக்கார்டிங்க்கும் இதே தான் அப்ளை ஆகும். முதல்ல 10 செகண்ட் எரர் சொல்றேன், 20 செகண்ட் ஸ்பீச் பேசுறேன். அப்படியே கண்டினியூ பண்ணிருங்க. நான் உங்களை ப்ராம்ப்ட் பண்ண மாட்டேன். இப்ப அடுத்த ஆடியோக்கு சொல்லுங்கன்னா நான் சொல்ல மாட்டேன். அப்படியே you go on to the next audio. In the second audio அப்படின்ட்டு அந்த எரரை 10 செகண்ட் சொல்லுங்க, 20 செகண்ட் அந்த டாபிக்ல பேசுங்க. அப்படியே you continue in the third audio அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நீங்க போயிடலாம். Is that clear? Now regarding the rules, only one participant has been permitted for this inter-school competition from every school. The speech has to be relevant to the recording. Topic allied இருக்கணும். So you can speak on all the 3 recordings one after the other without any gap. The duration would be 1 minute and 30 seconds. Duration would be 1 minute and 30 seconds. Considering ஒவ்வொரு ரெக்கார்டிங்க்கும் 30 செகண்ட்ஸ் நீங்க எடுத்துக்கிறீங்க, உங்களுக்கு வந்த ஆடியோ ஃபைல்ஸ்ல ஒவ்வொன்றுக்கும் 30 செகண்ட்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கிறீங்க அப்படின்ற அடிப்படையில 1 minute and 30 seconds is the time that you get. The targeted areas of expertise for this event: grammar, vocabulary, presence of mind, and spotting of errors. These are the targeted areas of expertise. Judging criteria go this way: ability to spot the error, explanation of errors, content of the speech, grammar, gestures, and tone. I think I've made it clear. Now, on the briefing entire உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துட்டேன் அப்படின்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன். So I don't think you will have any questions on that. Now, the most important of all, students நல்லா தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. Please listen to me very carefully. Sir, அந்த 1 minute 30 seconds முடிஞ்சிருச்சு அப்படின்றத நாங்க எப்படி தெரிஞ்சுக்குவோம்? How is the timing signal going to be given to us? All right, listen to me carefully. You will be presenting your talk. So I cannot orally say time up. அப்படி சொல்ல முடியாது என்னால. You know how this always happens with Buzz 0.8 or our classes in Beehive Communication Club. School நம்ம பண்ற classes-லயே we always go with visual timing signals, இல்லையா? Visual timing signals. That is how we operate with. So what am I going to do this time? Okay, here it goes. You have got 30 seconds for every recording. இல்லையா? 30 செகண்டுக்கு இதை முடிச்சிருக்கணும். அடுத்த 30 செகண்ட்ல அடுத்ததை முடிச்சிருக்கணும். அடுத்த 30 செகண்ட்ஸ்ல அதுக்கு அடுத்ததை முடிச்சிருக்கணும். Am I right? So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you a green card by the end of 30 seconds, an yellow card by the end of the next 30 seconds, and a red card by the end of the third 30 seconds. நான் சொல்றது புரியுதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். By the end of the first 30 seconds, I'll show you a green card. அடுத்த 30 seconds முடிஞ்சதும் I'll show you a yellow card. And final 30 seconds முடியும்போது I'll show you the red card. Sir, how are you going to show me? Now this is how I'm going to show you. Just a moment. Stay connected with me. I'm going to show you how my green, yellow and red will be shown to you. Look at my screen, my dear friends. Do you see the green? என்னோட green உங்களுக்கு தெரியுதா? If you can see that, chat windowல yes அப்படின்னு டைப் பண்ணுங்க. If you can see the green, chat windowல just give me a yes. Very nice. Yes, 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 yes. Very good. I have received the yes from every one of you. So I see that you can see the green. Now, இப்போ yellow தெரியுதா? அப்படின்னா yellow yes அப்படின்னு டைப் பண்ணுங்களேன். Can you see the yellow? If you can see the yellow now, type yellow S. Good. So you can see the yellow. Great. Now, red தெரியுது அப்படின்னா red S அப்படின்னு டைப் பண்ணுங்க. Good. Thank you so much. I believe you all can see it all. Fantastic people. Now, this is how the timing would be given. Green காண்பிச்சிட்டு green அங்கேயே இருக்கும். For the notice of the students, let me tell you. First 30 seconds முடிஞ்சோனே the green will be flashed. And அது அங்கேயே தான் இருக்கும். அடுத்த 30 seconds முடியும்போது it will turn yellow. அது அங்கேயே தான் இருக்கும். Final 30 seconds முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் it will turn red. All right? Sir, red வந்தோனே உடனே should I close it? No. There is no sudden break to speech. So what we'll do is, you can take a maximum of 5 to 10 seconds to wrap it up. The judges will note this down. Red காண்பிச்சு ஒரு 5 to 10 seconds வரைக்கும் you can take to close that speech. But if it exceeds that, the judges can consider disqualification of that speech. I think we have got all the information. Jamiki தேவைப்படுற எல்லா informationமே I have given. So I would now only like to have the attendance taken so that we can immediately start this event. Sir, do we have extra time for intro and ending? கிடையாது. Lot number 10, you have asked this question. No, it's not like that. You would just go ahead, start speaking right away, and you will close the speech right away. So everything comes within that 1 minute and 30 seconds. You don't have extra time. Good. All right, let me get into this to see whom we have got today. We have got lot number 1. Lot number 1, now ungala paakren. Lot number 2, I can see you. 3, I see you. I am looking for lot number 4. Yes, I see you. Lot number 5, I see you. Lot number 6. Lot number 6 இருக்கீங்களா? இருக்கீங்கன்னா chat windowல say yes sir. Lot number 6. I don't find you. Okay. My dear, நீங்க yes sir சொல்லியிருக்கீங்க. நான் உங்களை ரீநேம் பண்றேன். உங்களோட பேரை நான் lot number 6 அப்படின்னு நான் ரீநேம் பண்றேன். Good. Thank you. Okay, now we have got lot number 6 then. Lot number 6 உள்ள வந்துட்டாங்க. I see lot number 7. Do I have lot number 8. Yes, lot number 8 இருக்கிறாங்க, lot number 9 இருக்கிறாங்க. Do I have lot number 10? Yes, I have lot number 10. What about lot number 11? Yes, I have him or her. Lot number 12 இருக்கீங்க. What about lot number 13? Do I have lot number 13? Lot number 13 இருக்கீங்களா? இருக்கீங்கன்னா எனக்கு ஒரு yes கொடுங்க. Lot number 13, are you available? Lot number 13. Lot number 13, are you in? Okay, I'll deal with it. Do we have lot number 14? Lot number 13 illa. Lot number 14 இருக்கீங்களா? Okay. Lakshya, lot number 13 or lot number 14 pa? Chat la kudunga. Which lot number do you possess? 14. So Lakshya, I'm renaming you with lot number 14. Okay, so overall we only missed lot number 13. Just give me a second, children. We're going to start this event right away by the end of this attendance. Oh, fantastic. There is no lot number 13 as such for Jammy. We've got only 13 contestants, so we have everybody. The house is full. Fantastic. Very nice, children. That is great. So that simply means we are good to go. Judges, can you simply give me a yes to me personally in the chat window? You can have all panelists selected and say yes, so that I would know that you are ready for your judgment. You have your judging sheets with you, and I suppose you are all ready. Okay, I've received the consent from one judge. Do I have the other two judges? Maybe, yeah, I've got the consent from the second judge. Do I have the consent from the third judge? Yes, good. Thank you so much, judges. I've received the consent from all the three judges. So children, we are all set and all ready. Parents, நம்ம சைட்ல இருந்து நம்ம என்ன சப்போர்ட் இந்த பிள்ளைங்களுக்கு பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா, அவங்க இருக்கிற அந்த ஆம்பியன்ஸ், அவங்க இருக்கிற அந்த அட்மாஸ்பியர், please maintain silence there. Have it quiet so that our students present their best. Okay, I had a question in the chat window. நான் அதை மட்டும் ஆன்சர் பண்ணிட்டு I shall get into the process. Okay, wonderful question. Lot number 3. Sir, should I talk the corrected passage for 20 seconds or the new content on the same topic? ஏற்கனவே ஒரு ஆடியோ ரெக்கார்டிங் வந்திருக்கு. அது 20 செகண்டுக்கு பேசியிருக்காங்க. நான் 10 செகண்டுக்கு அதனுடைய எரர்ஸை சொல்லிட்டு 20 செகண்ட்ஸ் அவங்க பேசுனதையே கரெக்டடா பேசணுமா இல்ல நான் புதுசா பேசணுமா? அவங்க பேசுனதையே பேசணும்னா நீங்க மனப்பாடம் பண்ணிருக்கணும் இல்லையா? அந்த சிரமம் நமக்கு வேண்டாம். You can talk on your content. It is a new content on the same topic. Okay, I think you are clear. Lot number 3 நான் சொன்னது புரிஞ்சிருச்சுனா give me a yes. If you are comfortable with what I said, just give me a yes. Very nice. Thank you so much, lot number 3. So yes, with the consent of everybody, just give me a moment to adjust my timer. நான் என்னுடைய timing clock ready பண்ணிக்கிறேன். Yes, I have it ready. Fantastic, people. I think it's the time for us to start. Okay, lot number 1. Now I'm going to bring you to spotlight. Lot number 1, you're going to be promoted as a panelist. நீங்க இப்ப log out ஆகி login ஆவீங்க. People get to know the time now when my clock is 10 a.m. Exactly 10 a.m. We wanted to start the event at 10 a.m. முதல் half an hour we wanted to check with the instructions. We wanted to have the technical comfort given to people. It has gone perfectly with the timing. So lot number 1, now the time is 10 and here the event begins. உங்களை panelist promote பண்ண போறேன். You will log out and then come in. Okay, he is getting back. Lot number 1, இப்ப நீங்க உங்க வீடியோவை ஆன் பண்ணலாம். You can switch on your video, you can switch on your audio. Fantastic. People, ஏதாவது நெட்வொர்க் இஷ்யூ வந்தா don't panic. ஒரு பயமும் வேண்டாம். We always have a second chance. என்னோட எண்டே disappear ஆனா கூட don't worry. I'll come back. Okay? So lot number 1, can you unmute yourself? Unmute பண்ணிக்கலாமா நீங்க?
Yes sir.
Very good. Unmute பண்ணிக்கோங்க. மறுபடியும் மியூட் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன். ஓகே, லாட் நம்பர் 1 நான் சொன்ன இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன்ஸ்ல கிளியரா இருக்கீங்களா?
எஸ் சார், கிளியர்.
நான் டைமிங் சிக்னல்ஸ் சொன்னது வேர் யூ கிளியர் அபவுட் தட் ஆல்சோ?
எஸ் சார்.
நான் டைமிங்கை ஷோ பண்ண உடனே ஸ்கிரீன் அப்படியே வேற மாதிரி மாறிடும், பயப்பட வேண்டாம். நான் உங்களுக்கு காமிக்கிறேன் ஸ்கிரீன் எப்படி மாறும் அப்படின்றத காட்டுறேன். ஜஸ்ட் அ மொமெண்ட், ஜஸ்ட் அ மொமெண்ட் மை டியர். நான் அதையும் காண்பிச்சுட்டா ஐ திங்க் இட் வுட் பி பெட்டர் ஃபார் யூ. Do you see that lot number 1? பாக்குறீங்களா?
Yes sir. Green.
இல்ல, do you see that your window has gone to the right? உங்களோட screen ரைட்டுக்கு போயிடுச்சு, டாமினேட் பண்ணி இந்த green தான் தெரியுதுன்றத பாத்தீங்களா?
Yes sir.
So don't panic. அத தான் நான் சொல்ல வரேன். Don't panic. இப்படி தான் இருக்கும், so don't worry. Is that clear?
Okay.
Okay. So if you're all ready, lot number 1. Your time for speech starts now.
Start.
Yes, you may start.
I entered a second class. Once upon a time, I traveled on train. I saw that the grandmother was carrying heavy luggages and suitcases. I helped the grandmother to carry the luggages. She gave me some sweets and chocolates. And the error on the audio is instead of saying offering, we should say offering. Offering means something allotted. So offering is wrong. For example, they sit on the seats where they are offered for. In the mistake on the audio, second is explanation. In the present tense, when we use singular form, we should add yes to the noun. So instead of place, we should use places. If we use one of the, we should use plural form on the verb. So we use rolls instead of rolls. Speech for audio. Banana is a very popular fruit in the world, and it plays one of the major roles in our everyday diet. It has a potassium nitrate and it helps to easy digest for our explaining. It helps us in our everyday diet. The audio for third is explanation. A definite article that indicates that the noun refers to a specific thing. Here, visitors is a common word, so we do not use that. In present tense, when we use plural form, we should remove yes on the words. Example, they help the dog. And the unnecessary stopping is there. The Taj Mahal is the most beautiful place in the world. It is one of the 7 wonders in our world. It has 8 sides and more open arches. It is the memorable of the Queen Mumtaz. That's all, sir.
Thank you so much. Lot number 1. Parents and students ஒரு விஷயம் தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. எல்லா பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸும் ரொம்ப நல்லா பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுவீங்களா இருக்கும். ஆனா முடிஞ்ச உடனே இது மற்ற ஈவெண்ட்ஸை போல ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது, இதெல்லாம் நல்லா இருந்தது அப்படின்னு மாடரேட்டர் ஆன நான் சொல்ல மாட்டேன். நான் சொல்லக்கூடாது. இட் வுட் இம்பேக்ட் த ஜட்ஜஸ் ஜட்ஜ்மெண்ட். அதனால ஐ வுட் ஜஸ்ட் சே எல்லாருமே ரொம்ப நல்லா பண்ணுவீங்க, நல்லா தான் பண்றீங்க. ஸோ டோன்ட் ஃபீல் பேட் இஃப் ஐ டோன்ட் கிவ் மை ரிமார்க்ஸ் பை த எண்ட் ஆஃப் எவ்ரி ப்ரெசன்டேஷன். நான் ரொம்ப மெக்கானிக்கலா ஓகே தேங்க்யூ நவ் லாட் நம்பர் 2ன்னு சொல்லுவேன். ஆனா நான் ரொம்ப என்ஜாய் பண்றேன் உங்களோட ப்ரெசன்டேஷனை. அதை நான் இப்ப சொல்லல, மேபி பை த எண்ட் ஆஃப் த கான்டெஸ்ட் ஐ ஷால் ஷேர் மை ஹாப்பி பாசிட்டிவ் ரிமார்க்ஸ். ஸோ லாட் நம்பர் 1 நான் இப்போ உங்களை மறுபடியும் பேனலிஸ்டா அட்டெண்டியா மாத்துறேன். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் ஃபார் யோர் கோஆபரேஷன். யூ ஆர் நவ் சேஞ்ச்ட் into an attendee. Now I move to lot number 2. Judges, you will have 30 seconds of your time for marking the ballots. Meanwhile, நான் lot number 2 spotlight க்கு கொண்டுட்டு வரேன். Lot number 2, இப்போ நீங்க வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ண முடியும், ஆடியோ ஆன் பண்ண முடியும்.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, perfectly. We can hear you, we can see you. Just a second. Let us have the judges coming back. They are marking their ballots. Okay, so that is lot number 2 for us. Judges, I believe you're ready. Lot number 2, can you switch on your video? Lot number 2.
Sir, I couldn't.
Oh, just a moment. ஒரே நிமிஷம். இப்ப பண்ணுங்க, you can do it now. Okay? சரி, இனிமேல் வீடியோ ஆஃப் பண்ணாதீங்க, ஏன்னா நீங்க ஆஃப் பண்ணீங்கன்னா திரும்ப ஆன் பண்ண முடியாது, அதனால. ஓகே ஓகே, good. Now you are visible, lot number 2. Now you are audible also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, I am doing well னு சொல்லுங்க.
Good morning, I'm doing well.
Okay, very nice. Fine. Lot number 2. Your
Yes, sir.
time starts now.
Greetings all. In audio 1, there is a grammatical error, which is a singular plural error. One of the major role, which should have been one of the major roles. And the second one is like used to grow. I don't think like is necessary in this sentence. Let me go into the topic. Banana is a well-known fruit. It is one of our traditional fruit because our literature says that mango, jackfruit, and banana are the fruits of our feast. Banana is so healthy to us. Regular consumption of banana is good for our health. And in the second audio, I could find a fumble error, which is the parents arranged. And the second one is the luggage in the luggage rack. I think it could have been on the luggage rack. Let me move into the topic. Train travel is the best for long travel. I like reading books and hearing to music during train travels. And the good interaction with the strangers near me helps me get rid of boredom. It gives me a good experience when I get merged with other people. And in the third audio, I could find a repetition, which is there is and the second grammatical error is a prepositional one. Like the Taj Mahal is made from fine white marble. I think it could have been of fine white marble. Let me move into the topic. Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan as a memorial to his wife Mumtaz. It is one of the most beautiful monuments in India. It is regarded by many as the example of Mughal architecture. It is located in Agra, in the right bank of River Yamuna. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Lot number 2. I'll reserve my remarks to the end. Now I'm going to move lot number 2 as an attendee. Thank you so much for your cooperation.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now we'll give a few seconds for our judges to mark their ballots. Please. Meanwhile, can we have lot number 3 advancing to the spotlights? Okay. Lot number 3, just a second. Lot number 3, நீங்க இப்ப வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, இனிமேல் வீடியோ ஆஃப் பண்ணாதீங்க. நான் host rights நான் திருப்பி நானே reclaim பண்ணிக்கிறேன். Okay. Can you say good morning, I'm doing well?
Good morning, I'm doing well.
Perfect. Your audio is fine, your video is fine. Okay, please stay there. நான் timing signals கொஞ்சம் ready பண்ணிக்கிறேன். Yes, I think I'm ready. Yeah. Wait a minute. I believe the judges are ready. Okay. Lot number 3. Your time starts now.
The first audio, there are 3 errors. The first one is in front of the ordinal adjective second class, definite article that should be used. Here as used. Second one is there is unnecessary pause after the word parents in the second during the 11th second. The third error is before the consonants words suitcase, we should use the article but here is used. The passages, I too have the same experience when I went to the family trip in train. But I did not react like that lady. I just ignored it and moved it away from the place. The second audio contains 2 errors. One is when we use one of the, it represents one among things, hence the plural word should be followed by one of the. The second one is there is an unnecessary usage of like before the semi-modal used to. Banana is my favorite fruit. I used to have it after my dinner. It has helped us in digestion. I had bitter experience while walking on the roadway. I slipped. Unfortunately, I walked on the banana peel. The third audio contains 3 errors. The first one is instead of from, we have to use instead of. The second one is instead of more, we have to use many. Because arches are is an uncountable noun. There is an unnecessary usage of phrase there is, which confuses the listeners. The Taj Mahal is the most important monument in India, which was built by Shah Jahan, the Mughal Empire, to his beloved wife Mumtaz. As a token of love. Still, it stands as symbol of love worldwide. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Lot number 3. I'll reserve my remarks to the end. Now I am moving you to the attendees room. Thank you. Judges, it is your time to mark the ballots. Meanwhile, let us help lot number 4. Okay. Lot number 4. Now you can switch on the video. இப்போ பண்ண முடியும். Lot number 4, we can hear you. Can you please switch on the video?
Yes, sir. It is not switching.
1 minute. Just give me a minute. Your video is switched on, my dear. I can see you. Lot number 4, just tell me good morning, I am doing well.
Good, I am doing well.
Very nice. You are audible, you are visible, and your timing signals are also ready. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Judges, be aware this is lot number 4. Lot number 4, your time starts now.
Good morning, sir. I am Ajiraj of class Samsi. I am from KVS EMS. I am going to speak about banana. Bananas are higher in fiber, improve health, increase feeling of fullness after meals, reduce insult resistance, lower blood sugar level after meals. I have found one grammatical mistake in the first recording. One of the major role. Instead of this, it should come one of the major roles because one of the should follow plural. And I am going to talk about train journey. I have found one unnecessary pause and one grammatical mistake. The unnecessary pause is between the parents and arranged. The grammatical mistake is I entered instead of this I entered the second class because ordinary should come with the preposition. I am going to talk about train journey. I always like to journey in train. I prefer window seat. If I watch the tree out of window, it was going back. Last week I got to my cousin's house in train. Due to corona, the seats are free. Many vendors will come and sell breakfast snacks and it will be very tasty. I am going to talk about marble. I have found one mistake, one unnecessary pause and one grammatical mistake. The Taj Mahal is made from, instead of that, the Taj Mahal is made of fine oil marble. There is an unnecessary pause. There is comes twice. I am going to talk about marble. Marble tiles are of double. Marble reflects light. Marble is an excellent insulator. Marble is a highly durable material. In our house, we put white marble. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much. Now, lot number 4, you were all audible, you were visible all through, so there was no technical issue. Now I move you as an attendee. I change your role as an attendee. Excuse me, people. So lot number 4 has become an attendee. Judges, it is your time for you to mark the ballots. Meanwhile, let me assist lot number 5 in becoming a panelist. Lot number 5, இப்போ நீங்க வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ணலாம். Good.
Good morning, sir.
Very nice. Your audio is great. Your video is great. எல்லாமே பெர்ஃபெக்ட்டா இருக்கு. இனிமேல் வீடியோ ஆஃப் பண்ணாதீங்க. ஏன்னா நான் ஹோஸ்ட் ரைட்ஸை ரீக்ளைம் பண்றேன். அடுத்து திருப்பி ஆன் பண்ண முடியாம போகும். ரைட்? நோ ப்ராப்ளம்.
Okay, sir.
ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை. அப்படி ஆனா கூட இன்னொரு அதை ரிவைவ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ ப்ரெஷர்லாம் வேண்டாம். ஃபீல் கம்ஃபர்டபுள். ஓகே. Just a moment. Let me look at my timer cards. Yes, it is all ready. Perfect with me. Judges, I believe you are here to listen to lot number 5. 5, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So lot number 5, your time starts now.
The unwanted pass in the first recording is where 8. The grammatical mistake is major role, singular plural error. Major roles is the correct form. Banana is a familiar fruit across the world. It is rich in fiber. There are many types of banana. It's medicine for many diseases. It's rich in vitamin B6 and amino acid. It's used in pujas. I'm moving on to the second recording. Unwanted past is after the parents arranged. The grammatical mistake is arranged in the suitcase racks. It is on the suitcase racks. I entered a train and took a seat in first class compartment. A noisy college group entered the compartment. They shouted loudly, played, and made a lot of noise. They threw the bags here and there. They enjoyed a lot. Me too. The grammatical mistake in the third recording is made from. The correct form is made up of. The unwanted fumble is there is. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is built by Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan is a Mughal king. Taj Mahal is one of the wonder in world's 7 wonders. It's built up of marble stones. It's built up in memorial of Queen Shah Khan's wife. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much. Lot number 5. You were audible and visible all through your speech. There was no technical problem. So now I move you from the panelists room to the attendees room. Thank you, dear.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, welcome. Judges, it is time for you to mark your ballots. So may I think about lot number 6 now? Lot number 6, you're being promoted as a panelist. You're being brought to the spotlight. Okay. Lot number 6, you can switch on your video now. Okay, great. Can you say, good morning, I'm doing well?
Good morning, I'm doing well.
Fantastic. Your audio is clear, your video is clear. Okay. So yes, I have my timing signals ready. I think the judges are also ready. Lot number 6, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
In that case, lot number 6, your time starts now.
Greetings, everyone. I'm here to spot the error. Now for first audio, as second class compartment is there, but the correct sentence is as at the second class compartment. And fuller sound shouldn't come there. In the luggage racks is wrong. On the luggage racks is correct. Now I'm going to share my experience on train. I love to travel by train. I and my brother travel in train and we enjoy it a lot. Now, first, second audio. One of the major roles is wrong. One of the major roles is correct. It used to, it like used to grow is wrong. It used to grow is correct. Why? In the years is wrong. Over the years is right. Now for third audio. Taj Mahal is made from is wrong. The Taj Mahal is made of is correct sentence. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Lot number 6. Now, let me make you an attendee now. Judges, it is time for you to mark the ballots. Meanwhile, let me take the privilege of promoting lot number 7 as an attendee. Just a moment. Lot number 7 to be made a panelist now. Okay. Lot number 7, you can switch on your video now.
Sir, I got the dialog box saying you cannot start your video because the host has stopped it.
Now you try it, my dear. You can do it. Now do it. Okay. Do you see that? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I can see you. Now I can hear you. However, say good morning. I'm doing well.
Good morning. I'm doing well.
Okay, good. So stay like that. Do not switch off the video hereafter. Okay. It would be perfect here. Judges, you are looking at lot number 7. I believe the judges are ready. The timing signal is ready. Lot number 7, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
In that case, lot number 7, your time starts now.
The mistake in the first audio was the word banana was mispronounced as banana. Banana should be pronounced as Buhnaa. Banana is one of the most uniquest plant. Every part of a banana plant has a specific use. The mistake in the second audio was there was a confusion in articles. They said the grandmother, they said the grandmother instead of a grandmother. And another mistake was they used an unnecessary filler, that is filler should not be used. It affects the fluency of your English language. It is really difficult to squeeze your way inside a crowded compartment, but tolerating all that and being free during that situation can get you good friends among the strangers or the neighbors. The mistake in the third audio was the word there was repeated twice. Using words twice can minimize your time. And another mistake was they had a confusion in subject verb agreement. This should be added to a verb only when it is a habitat or a universal truth. In this case, it's neither. So it is better to say can look instead of looks. Taj Mahal is a symbol of love. Though we all knew that it is the only world wonder present in India, people are polluting it. So let's stop air pollution. Thank you.
Thank you. Lot number 7, you were audible and visible throughout. There was no technical issue. Thank you. Now I am taking you back to the attendees room. Judges, time for you to mark the ballots. Just a second, let me adjust my timing signals. Okay. Judges, I believe you have marked your ballots. We move on to lot number 8 now. Lot number 8, you are being promoted as a panelist now. Okay, lot number 8, you can switch on your video now. Great. Lot number 8, please stay with your video on. Do not shut it anymore. You may not be able to switch it on again. No problem. I'll again give you the chance in that case. Okay. So my timing signals are ready. I believe the judges are ready. My clock is ready. Lot number 8, are you ready?
Sir.
Can you say good morning, I'm doing well?
Good morning, I'm doing well.
Can you say that again, my dear?
Good morning, I'm doing well.
When you are here, your voice is very clear, pa.
Okay, sir.
Just be informed. Okay. So in that case, lot number 8, your time starts now.
Good day, everyone. In the first audio, there was a fumble and the article "and," which comes before the word suitcase, should be replaced by the article "a" because the word suitcase starts with the consonant S. Traveling by train is easier and cheaper than any other transport these days. But still, because of certain inconveniences like noisy families and congestion, people don't enjoy train travel. Several cases have been found wherein passengers get injured by luggage falling from compartments above them. Yet, several do enjoy this moving, hooting, and rumbling transport facility. In the second audio, the word roll should be replaced by rolls for the subject and verb to agree with each other. The word yields, which comes before, should be replaced by the word yielded, as the sentence is a present tense sentence. Banana is an elongated edible fruit which has both a sweet and a sour taste. Banana is one of the fruits that can be found in almost every corner of this world. If you want to look happy, tie it to a banana. The banana plant is one of the plants whose every part is useful to us in several ways. In the third audio, there's a grammatical error where the word many should come in place of the word more for the adjective to be more specific. And there's also a repetition of there is. The Taj Mahal, a beautiful ivory white marble mausoleum on the southern bank of the river Yamuna in Agra. Being one of the UNESCO's World Heritage Site, it attracts over 7 million people a year. The Taj Mahal is not a piece of architecture, but the proud passions of an emperor's love, written in living stones. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Lot number 8, you were audible and visible throughout the presentation. We were able to get you. Now, let me make you an attendee again. Judges, it is time for you to mark your ballots. All right. Now may I help lot number 9? Lot number 9, now you can switch on your video. Good. So don't switch off your video henceforth, my dear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Judges, you're looking at lot number 9 on the screen. Lot number 9, can you say, good morning, I'm doing well?
Good morning. I'm doing well.
I can hear you. I can see you. I think the judges are ready. My timing signals are ready. My clock is ready. Lot number 9, are you ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
In that case, the time starts now.
In the audio about the train, the usage of adjective in the second sentence is strong. We use size after opinion. So it would be noisy, large family. And the fumble is near the phrase arranged and rearranged. The speech should be, I entered a second class compartment and took a corner seat. A few minutes later, a noisy, large family rushed in and spread themselves all over the compartment. The parents arranged and rearranged the belongings in the luggage racks, and suitcase fell on the grandma's feet and she shouted at them. In the next audio, the error is in the first sentence. One of the major rule is wrong. The phrase one of the is used to describe particular thing from a group. There is a fumble near the words Indonesian region. The speech is, banana is a popular fruit and it plays one of the major roles in our everyday diet. It originally belongs to Southeast Asia and the Indonesian region, where it usually grows. While in the forest in the years, proper selection and cultivation of different varieties yielded the edible banana. In the third audio about the Taj Mahal, I can find only the fumble of the words there is in the third sentence. The speech should be, the Taj Mahal is made from fine white marble with inlays colored marble. It has 8 sides and many open arches. There is an open corridor just inside the outer walls. From the corridor, the visitor looks through carved marble screens to the central room. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Lot number 9, you were audible and visible throughout your presentation. Thank you. Now let me make you an attendee.
Thank you.
Welcome. Judges, it is time for you to mark your ballots. May we now have lot number 10 brought to spotlight. So lot number 10, now you may switch on the video.
1 second, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sorry, sir.
No problem, no problem. Take all the time you want, no problem.
One second.
No problem, take it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you want us to wait, we shall wait, my dear. You can take some
Yes,
more
sir.
time. No problem.
Sorry for the delay, sir.
No problem. No problem.
I'm ready, sir.
Good. Thank you. So lot number 10, you can feel comfortable. If you want some more time, I can give you. We have all the time. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just say good morning. I'm doing well.
Good morning. I'm doing well.
Great. So, judges, you are looking at lot number 10 on the screen. Let me check my timing signals. Yes, everything is perfect. My clock is ready. The judges are ready. Lot number 10, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
In that case, lot number 10, your time starts now.
Fantastic morning, everyone. I'm lot number 10. In audio number 1, I found a fumble pause between the word parents and arrange. I also found that the word suitcase needs an article before it. So it is a suitcase fell and not suitcase fell. In India, railway plays an important role in transportation. Most people who use train for transportation use them because they have quick transfer and they are affordable for everyone. Among the world nation, India has the highest number of trains and railway facilities. While coming to audio 2, banana is a singular noun, so one of the major roles to be used because of subject verb arguments. And I found an error like used, so it should be where it used to grow. Banana is a good source of vitamin C and manganese. All parts of the banana tree are used for us in different ways. Banana is easy to digest and and helps for digestion too. Moving on to audio 3. I found that the repetition of the clause there is an error bunk. And the visitor looks is also an error. Subject work agreement occurred. So it is the visitor can look is correct in my opinion. Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. It was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan between 1631 and 1648 in the memories of his wife. In Arab and Persian, Taj Mahal literally means crown place or crown palace. Thank you all.
Thank you so much. Lot number 10, you were
Thank you,
audible
sir.
and visible all through. Thank you. You're being made an attendee now. Thank you. Judges, it is time for you to mark your ballots. So meanwhile, may I invite lot number 11 to the spotlight. Lot number 11, now you can switch on the video. Okay. Now I can see you, lot number 11. Can you say, good morning, I'm doing well?
Good morning, I'm doing well.
Very good. I can hear you. I can see you. Judges, you are looking at lot number 11. My timer cards are ready. My clock is ready. I believe the judges are ready. Lot number 11, are you ready?
Yes.
In that case, lot number 11, your time starts now.
Error in article. Instead of second class, it must be the second class. Error number 2. There is unnecessary pause between the words parents and arranged. As I am going to speak, we are judged by our behavior. Each and everyone's life behavior is more worthy than money. I know about from this audio, I know about the misbehavior of a family. Yes. Second audio. Error in plural forms. Major. Instead of major role, it must be major roles. Error number 2. instead of it like this, must be it is likely as I'm going to speak. Banana is a edible fruit. Banana is an edible fruit. It gives us instant energy in us. It is useful. The third audio. Here in preposition made from thanks.
Thank you, lot number 11. You were audible and visible throughout your presentation. There was no technical problem. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Now, let me make you an attendee again. So, judges, it is time for you to mark your ballots. Let me reset my timer and timing signal. Okay. Now, what about bringing lot number 11 to spotlight? So that was lot number 11, I suppose. Let me bring in lot number 12 to spotlight. So lot number 12, you can switch on your video now. Good. Lot number 12, I can see you. Can you say good morning? I'm doing well.
I'm doing well. In the first audio,
One minute, my dear. 1 minute, my dear. 1 minute. Okay. I can hear you. Everything is fine. 1 minute. Judges, I believe you're ready. You're looking at lot number 12. My timer cards and everything is ready here. Lot number 12 is also ready there. So lot number 12, your time starts now.
in the first audio, I found the error fast like me. I had one experience about the train journey. I always enjoy train journey. I preferred window seat to watch the scenery outside. In the second audio, banana fruit is good for our health. It is useful in many ways. You have problems with hair loss, with banana juice and lemon juice. Then apply on hair and leave it for sometimes. The rinse with water. This hair loss problems will soon get over. Banana has also some negatives. Those who are overweight should not eat bananas as they have high calories content in increased weight. In third audio, I did not find any error. Taj Mahal is one of the most beautiful monuments of India. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the memories of his beloved wife Mumtaz after her death. Taj Mahal is located at south bank of Yamuna River in Agra, UP. It is surrounded by attractive lands, trees and fountains. I like to visit Taj Mahal with my sweet family. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, lot number 12. We were able to hear you and see you throughout your presentation. There was no technical error. Thank you so much. Let me make you an attendee now. Judges, time for you to mark your ballots and for me to set my timers back in place. And yes, meanwhile, if I can bring lot number 14, because we don't have a lot number 13 today. So I'm promoting lot number 14 as a panelist. Lot number 14, you can switch on your video now. Okay. Please stay this way, have your video switched on. Just a moment. Just a moment, my dear. Okay. I'm just checking something with my timing signals. Lot number 14, can you unmute yourself?
Audible, sir.
Yes, my dear, you are audible. Now you are audible. Can you say good morning, I'm doing well?
Good morning. I'm doing well.
Very nice. You're perfect. If you can raise your voice a little, it would be better. But you're audible, no problem. You're audible, no problem. So my timing signals are ready. Judges, I believe you're ready. So lot number 14. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In that case, lot number 14, your time starts now.
In the first audio, paused and it was said after the parents. The mistake I spotted was, and suitcase fell on the grandmother's feet should be said as a suitcase fell on the grandmother's feet because a should be used before words with consonant sounds. Train journeys are very exciting. I love to go long distance in train. I and my cousins used to play cards sitting on the upper berth in the train. In the second audio, the pause was after where it, and the pause was like. The mistake was one of the major role in our everyday diet should be said as one of the role in our everyday diet because there are many major roles and banana plays one of them. Banana is a very nutritious fruit. Trust me, if you eat a banana, you will be very healthy. Banana also contains many vitamins. A banana a day keeps corona away. In the third audio, that was the repetition of the words there is. The mistake was and more open arches should be said as and many open arches because more is used for comparison. Taj Mahal is a very beautiful monument. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world. It is a symbol of worldwide love. And I would love to visit Taj Mahal one day. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Lot number 14, you were audible and visible throughout your presentation. So there was no technical error. Let me make you an attendee again. All right, people, let us take the last few seconds for the judges to mark their ballots. Let's maintain silence till then. Fantastic efforts by all the children. In fact, I was holding myself and it was a very tough job. I wanted to appreciate every child after his or her presentation. You all did a wonderful job, my dear friends. It might be better or say easier than this to present it in person, maybe the way we had Jammy all these years. It was better to tap on the table and say, this was the error I found in that person's speech. This is how I'm going to continue with that speech. That was better, but then to present it online had its own challenges. It was not just your oratory skills that were put to challenge, it was also your technical comfort that was challenged. I should say every child did that so well. My dear children, you have made this day very special to me. In fact, Buzz 0.8 is becoming extra special because of this event, Jammy. I should say among all the events that have happened and that are to happen, I'm very sure that this event, Jammy, of Buzz 0.8 would be the finest of all. Very soon, we are planning to have this thing uploaded in the YouTube so that everybody from your school can watch the excellence that you simply exhibited today. Thank you so much, children. In fact, this day, as I said, is going to be in our minds to ruminate whenever possible. Thank you so much. Judges, I believe you're clear with your ballots. I believe the scores of all the children are being tallied now. Parents, நான் சொல்லியே ஆகணும். Thank you so much. இன்னைக்கு எந்த ஒரு டெக்னிக்கல் கிளிச்சுமே நடக்கல. எங்கேயுமே எந்த குழந்தைக்குமே ஆடியோ கேட்கல, வீடியோ பார்க்க முடியல அப்படின்ற சிச்சுவேஷனே வரல. ஸோ ஸ்பெஷல் தேங்க்ஸ் டு த பேரண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் த கோஆர்டினேட்டர்ஸ். ஏன்னா யூ ஹவ் என்ஷூர்ட் தட் பிள்ளைக்கு கரெக்டான பேண்ட்வித்தில் தான் பேசுறாங்க அப்படின்றத. ஸோ ஸ்பெஷல் தேங்க்ஸ் டு யூ. எஸ், needless to say, a lot of thanks to the management, because these schools have consented to participate in bus, though they know that they cannot meet the students and train them. ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் மேல அந்த நம்பிக்கையில ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் அங்கிருந்து பண்ணிடுவாங்க அப்படின்ற அந்த கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ்ல they have let the students participate. Special thanks to the schools, management, principals, and everybody behind this. Parents, thank you so much. We all have reasons to get back into our normal routine with a happy mind, because all our children have done so well.